New features of Lightspeed Web and Mobile. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the features of the new Lightspeed Web and Mobile. Please note that the new web and mobile platform can only be opened in Chrome or Firefox. The old platform only worked on Internet Explorer, whereas the new web and mobile platform will not. Once logged in, you can open a few different default layouts saved within the platform. There are tabs for stocks and a tab 1 for traders to create a layout from scratch. Traders have the ability to customize each tab layout. The platform comes with a locked layout that you cannot change. However, if you click the lock button in the upper right-hand corner, it unlocks the layouts, and you can move windows around, size them, and add new widgets. Each individual window is referred to as a widget. Once your layout is unlocked, the Add Widget button will appear. Click on it and choose the new widget you want to add. Here we will add a new chart on the platform. It appears as a blue bar on the bottom of the layout. Click on it and drag it to the desired location. Traders can see where the new window will drop by the highlighted portion that appears right below your mouse cursor crosshair. From there, you can enter a symbol and/or click it to a color group. Traders can link different groups of widgets together through the square box in the upper left-hand corner of each window. Some traders assign the same color to all of the widgets that they want linked together. On the default layout, all are set to the yellow group. If, for some reason, a layout is adjusted and you do not like it, traders can revert the entire platform to the defaults by clicking the button with the up arrow in the upper right-hand corner. To go back to the default layout, click on the up arrow button and click OK. On the Basic Stocks tab, the layout includes the following widgets: a market indicator stating if the market is open, a trade, quote, and market data indicator, an ETF market indicator with the SPY, the Qs, and the Diamonds ETFs listed, login info, buying power and position info, watch list, order ticket, account info, orders, charts, and positions. The watch list has a drop-down menu that allows you to select a custom list that you can create, or a scan list for net change, risers and fallers, or a percentage change, risers and fallers. To add a new list, click on the plus sign and type in the symbols you want to watch and press enter. Note, when you click on a symbol, all of the other windows on the platform with the same color scheme update. You can also load symbols from a file by clicking the Load from File button. The order ticket window allows you to place trades. You can click on a symbol in your watch list to load the order ticket or type in a new symbol. From there, choose your shares, exchange, order type, duration and session, then click Buy or Sell. The verification window pops up. Read it to confirm, then click Trade if all of the information is correct. The window will confirm the status, and then you can close the verification window. As soon as you place the order, it appears in the Orders window. Once executed, it appears in the Positions window. Note, if you have a symbol in the Positions filter, it will only show positions for that symbol. To see all positions, leave the symbol filter blank. The Orders window keeps a history of all orders that you have placed. You can filter the orders at the top of the window. In the Order Status dropdown, choose Active Orders to see current orders. While an order is live but not yet filled, an X will appear in the Cancel column of the Orders window. Click on this X to send an order cancellation request. Traders can customize the charts through the drop-down menu at the top of the chart. The first drop-down is the duration for each candlestick. The second is the time frame for the chart, and the third is the chart type. Traders can add indicators very easily by choosing the one you want. Here we are going to add a 20-period simple moving average and adjust it by clicking on the gear in the indicator selection. The charts have the ability to compare two different symbols, and you can actually export an image of the chart by clicking the PNG button. For other trading tutorials or education videos, check out our website and YouTube channel. Watch our next video focusing on the mobile version of the Lightspeed Web and Mobile platform.